Hello, toys. So, it's okay. This camera. It's time for Prima Vincarina again, and sorry for the discoloration of my face and everything. I've been really sick for the whole week and not sleeping at all, so it's like. Also, my tan got darker, so it looks a little weird. I cannot stand tan lines. So if you see this like weird discoloration, just ignore it. I know I'm a little sickly in the face. Just ignore that. So if you're ready for Prima Vincarina, let me move this over. So today we're gonna go a little further. We're gonna do a little more. What's the word I'm looking for? Technical exercises. So a few days ago, we practiced demi-plies. So we're going to start demi-plies again. And this is for, obviously, me. Every time I do this, I'm practicing. Because you know how you're just like, I gotta practice, but I'm not really practicing. So this gets me practicing, and this gets you practicing too. So we're going to start every session with demi-plies, because you need it. Because then, you can't just jump right into the new thing. So I'm going to make sure we do our demi-plies. Then I'm going to teach you tendu, and we're going to do some leg things today. Then the next one, we're going to start working on things like turns and such. Okay, so get your chair or your bar, and I wonder if I should turn on that light. Well, it's a little dark over here. If I turn on the light behind me, oh, how's my nail? Oh, it makes it darker. So let's turn off this light. I think what you want to do is when you are manipulating light, you want to have light forward. There we go. That's a little better, yeah? Okay, cool. Okay, so if we can just get this webcam up higher. That's a little too high. That might be. Let's see. Oh wait, it can stand on its own, so let's do that. Let's have you stand on its own. Oh, it doesn't work. Well, if I have it like this, well, let's see. If we move this computer over a little, and move you down just a little, can you get all of everything? Oh, you can. Okay, cool. So what we'll do is what's that called? Sashay. I was sashaying to you. I have to forgive me. It's day 2. I've been at it for a year. Everything has to just come back to me. Also, I've been sick. So, oh, this is wrapped up. Oh, that's not good. Okay, well, we're just gonna deal with that. Okay, so let's see. If I move it back a little, I think that might help. Move it up a little. Oh, no, that doesn't help. Okay. Forgive me. I have to get the camera correct so that we can all learn how to do this. Okay, this works. Okay, so my head halfway chopped up. Hey. Oh, I have an idea. I can put it on something. So let's do that. So you're going to get put on this. And see how that works. Yeah. Kind of the same thing happening there. Here. See how that works. Oh, okay, that's good. So I'm sort sort of chopped off, but the feet are the most important thing. So we can't be all the way over here doing Tom twos and doing flips. So move that back, and let's see how that works. Okay, so we move it back, and boom! So now I know how to put the camera every time we're going to do this now. Now we're still all the way back here. So we need to move the camera just an inch down, hopefully. Okay, so turn it a little bit. Made it closer. I know you can see my laptop now. About 6 minutes. Well, this time I'm taking to get everything ready. You are getting dressed, most likely. Okay, so we're gonna do this way. Nah, that's not really how we do it. Let's see. Actually, I think that was the perfect thing. We'll just do it this way, like before. Okay, so, and is this in the way? Kind of, a little bit. So I'll tie this over here. And now, we'll be able to do demi-plies. We'll be able to learn something. So, welcome to Prima Picarina. Day number 2. Okay, so, what we want to do is move this out of the way. Well, let's see. If I lower this, and then I put this over here, under, and it won't be in the shot. Ha, there we go. Oh, okay, that's a little confusing. Sorry. So it's a new webcam I have, and just have to get it used to it. I think I kind of want the mirror in it too. Maybe not too much. Ah! Hey, I wonder why it's doing that. Alright, that works, I guess. Okay, so come to first, and I want you to demi-plie. Demi. Demi. Yeah, that's a weird angle. Maybe I should just put you right back on my laptop. Excuse me. Much better. Okay, so I'm not going to move from this point because it's a pretty clear point. So, good. So, I'm going to say that because some people like to sneeze about it. So I'll be right back and we're going to do this again. So, testing. Okay. Oh, also it's just testing the camera. So I noticed that when the camera's closer, it clears out more. But when I back up, I'm more in the blur section. Like it can't really be helped as much. That's good. Okay, so I'll be right back, and then we can start Primo Binkarina now that I got the camera correct.